In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create budgets using Budget Manager in Xero Accounting software. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Xero, how to set up your budget, and how to save it so you can use it for reporting and planning. First, make sure you're logged into your Xero account and you're on the main dashboard of the organization you want to work with. From the dashboard, look towards the top of the screen for the main navigation menu. Here, click on the option labeled Reporting. This is where Xero keeps all of its financial reports and tools related to performance and analysis, including your budgets. Once you're on the reporting page, you'll see a selection of commonly used reports. To access everything that's available, click on All Reports. This expands the full list of reports and tools so you can find more specific features, rather than just the ones Xero highlights by default. In the All Reports section, scroll until you find Budget Manager. The name may appear under a planning or financial performance category, depending on your layout. Go ahead and click on Budget Manager. This will take you to the budgeting area where you can create and manage budgets for your organization. On the Budget Manager page, you will now need to fill in the details for your new budget. Start by selecting the budget name. It's a good idea to use something clear and descriptive, like the financial year or project name, so it's easy to recognize later. Next, choose the date range you want the budget to cover. This might be a full financial year, a calendar year, or a specific custom period, depending on how you plan your finances. You may also have options to choose the budget type, the interval, such as monthly or quarterly, and which tracking categories or accounts to include. Take your time here and make sure the settings line up with how you review your financials. Then enter the amounts for each income and expense account for each period. You can work through this line by line, or paste data if Xero allows, aiming for figures that reflect your targets or expectations. When you're happy with the details and the amounts you've entered, scroll down or look for the Save button on the page. Click on Save to store your budget in Xero. After saving, your budget will be available in Budget Manager and can be used